quick review of the silicone muffin tins. These come in a pack of 2. They are a little bit shallower than your typical muffin tin. So you're gonna make a muffin that's a little bit smaller if you want something kind of in between the mini muffin and the normal muffin size. These are great. What I love about the silicone is that you don't need to spray them. You don't need to use oil with them. They wash out very cleanly. As you can see, I just kind of toss them into the top rack of my dishwasher and they come out just fine. But when you are baking with them or cooking with them, you don't have to grease them. So that helps cut out some of the extra oils in your food that you don't need. And the food just pops right out because they are silicone. They are good for high temperatures, I think up to 450 degrees or so to be able to use. And I've used them to make some muffins, to make some egg bites, and they turned out very well because they are flimsy and don't have a whole lot of structure to them themselves. I like to put them on a cookie sheet just to make it easier to slide them in and out of the oven. But both of these will fit side by side on one cookie sheet, so very helpful that way. They don't take up much space to store them. They will stack completely inside one another, and you can even roll them, you can fold them. Again, you can just shove them anywhere because they're silicone. They're gonna keep their shape, they're gonna pop back, and you can use them over and over. So I hope this helped.